Okay, so members, welcome. Today we are going to see the condition for a line to be a tangent to a hyperbola. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, if we have a line, you know that the general equation of a line is given by y equal to mx plus c. And the general equation of a hyperbola with the vertex at 0, 0, crossing the horizontal axis is given by this. Now, if you want to show that it's a tangent, remember the tangent meets a curve at one point. So meaning if that's the case, or is the discriminant should be equal to 0. If it's equal to 0, take this guy, have this so the condition for tangents, or is this square equal to 4ac. Or is now what we need now to generate a quadratic from here, and we substitute in here to see what we get. Now from here, what I start with, I get the LCM of this. Start with multiply this and this, I get this. This is the LCM. You multiply it here, multiply it here, multiply it here. This is what I get. So start. This is the line here. Now if I substitute it in here, because at that point of intersection, the y for this line will be the same as the y for this curve. So substituting in there, I have b squared, bx. B squared, x squared, this is squared, then minus a squared into, now I'm putting this here, the whole squared, then when I bring this on the other side, I have minus a squared, b squared, equaling to a 0. So from there, we expand that. So we have b squared, x squared, and minus. When I expand this, then plus. If you open the brackets and you correct like terms, you shall be having minus a squared, then this minus 2mc a squared x, then minus a squared c squared, then minus equaling to 0. So you see that here x squared is common. If I factorize it out, then minus, and whatever. So I can remove a negative there, or I leave it there. If I compare to the general quadratic equation, it's that this one, the general quadratic equation, which says this. If you compare, start from here, my A is, comma, my B, and my C, b squared. Now for tangents, I know that now. I know that b squared should be equal to 4ac. From there, I put my b, but I'm squaring it, so I have now 2 negative squared equaling to 4 my a into my c. Now this is going to be b squared. I close the brackets. If I expand here, I have this as 4, and I square this n squared, c squared, then a power 4 equaling 4 into, you can open brackets there, this times this, you get b squared. It's a minus by that minus a squared, c squared, then this and this minus a b power 4, this b squared and that. Come this and this, you have now plus a power 4, n squared, c squared, then minus plus a power 4, n squared, b squared. From there, so that R4 is cancelling, and you see that the whole of this is going to cancel with this. The whole of this is cancelling with that. What am I remaining with? From there, you see I'm remaining with, when I take now this side I have, B squared, A squared, C squared, equaling to, this side I have, this side I have this times this. Did I? This was a square here. So I have negative A squared, B power 4. Then what else? I have now plus A power 4, M squared, B squared. You see, we can divide it through by this and this. This one goes, here I remain with B squared. Here I remain with B squared. Then here this B squared goes, here I remain with A squared. And now my C squared will be A squared, M squared. Remember here I remain with minus B squared. And I think that's the condition they want us to prove. Now here, they want us to show that the line is a tangent to a curve this. All you need is to just now, because one of the conditions for n line is this, so you just put that for a tangent, y equal to mx, 2x squared equaling to 1, then you know that c squared is equaling to a squared, m squared minus b squared. You want to see, is this true? Now you get your y. From here, your y is equaling to x plus 3. From here, I see that if you compare it with this, it's that your m is 1, your c is 3. Now, when you compare this with this, is that from here, your a squared is 25, and your b squared is 16. So put them here. Minus b squared. Your c squared is 3 squared equaling a squared. Your a squared is 25 into now m squared, you have 1 squared and minus b squared is 16. So this will be 9 equaling to 25 minus 16. And I think 9 will be equal to 9. And then you can conclude it. Since this and this are equal, then this line, the tangent, this. In those means, few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, members. I wish you the best. I sign out.